Hanging with the heels. What? Hanging with the... You're supposed to join me.
Sorry.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to Hanging with the Heels. I'm John.
And I'm Chanel.
And we're going to talk about budgeting today. Woo! Saving money. Oh, sorry. I get excited about saving money.
Alright. So, throughout this newfound journey we're jumping into, we're going to be sharing with you guys the whole journey along the way about how we're going to be saving money. And Mr. here likes to go to Starbucks.
Yeah.
So, seeing that we have a lot of money to pay off, roughly about $50,000, we're going to cut as much as possible, but not dramatically just yet.
Yeah, true. Like, say what, on a light month, it was what, $30 a month we're going to be saving as far as Starbucks? Yeah. Okay.
That's on the light. Okay, so he agreed to do this, and I agreed to start drinking it. We decided to go ahead and save money by buying our own coffee maker.
Yep. So sorry, Starbucks, but we gotta break up. It's not really working out for me.
It was never working out for me, so.
It's not you. It's not you. It's me. It's not you. It's me.
It's so totally him. Alright. So, we know that there are so many different coffee makers, and so many people uses the little Keurig machine and with the little K-cups, and yeah, we thought about that.
But then you gotta buy the refills for the K-cups.
And all that adds up.
And you're not really saving any money.
And you don't really get a lot of K-cups either.
Yeah.
And that coffee maker is a lot of money. I do want one, though. I do want one day. Don't mind him. But I do want one. I said one day. Anyways, so we decided, I say we, but I went to Walmart and I picked up a coffee maker. This is a budget-friendly coffee maker. It's so super budget-friendly. There we go. Like, we were taking the coffee maker out the box. It's on the counter in the kitchen. Super budget.
Put it to good use.
Yes, as of yesterday. September 1st. Okay? September 1st starts the whole budgeting and everything journey. Alright, so this coffee maker I picked up at Walmart, and I have the receipt is right here, and the coffee maker was only $8.88. So if you think of investing under $10 in a coffee maker and just buying a big old thing of coffee, you're going to save a whole lot of money. Now, if you're a heavy coffee drinker, I'm sorry, you're just going to have to figure out how to limit the amount of coffee you drink and sleep a little more. My suggestion.
Also, to help us get us more organized with our planning and our budgeting, we decided to use a planner.
Now, actually, I have been using a planner for about 2 or 3 years now, and I even have a video from my other, my beauty channel. I'll try to link that video down below in the description box of how I did a budget binder and how I use my Happy Planner to plan with. But because this channel is more budgeting friendly, I chose not to use my Happy Planner in this video. And in fact, my sister told me about a planner that she found at Walmart, and she said it was a Happy Planner. Well, it's very similar, very similar to the Happy Planner, and it's actually called the Glam Planner. And it's actually a full kit that includes the planner, it has stickers, it has dividers, and it's very nice. And I was like, how much was this? I do not remember how much this, this kit was it only cost me $9. For one, it was on clearance, okay, after, the school year, new school supply sale or something. I don't know, my Walmart had it on clearance for $9.
That's school shopping.
Yeah, so I got this whole kit for $9. I'm not sure how much it originally was, but I got it for $9. And then they also had planner stickers. And these stickers were, I'm not sure how much those stickers were priced at, but I only got them for 50 cents. So each one of these has 4 sheets inside, and they were only 50 cents a piece, and they had a lot of different kinds. I just chose the ones that I would actually use. And then there was this other little, I guess, they're like paper inserts you can add into your planner. And this one comes with 40 sheets of paper. They have like your graph line paper, you have regular line paper, and then you have like date and times of if you want to schedule and organize your day by times. So there's 40 sheets in this, and how much does this one cost? I think that one was originally like $5 or something, but I only paid $2.50 for it. And then the last thing that I found was washi tape. I love washi tape.
She does. She does.
So this washi tape I also found in the same area from the same brand that follows this this planner, and it was only cost $1.50 for 1, 2, 3, 4 for 5 washi tapes. So that's pretty good. If you didn't know, you can also find washi tape at the Dollar Tree. Okay, the Dollar Tree is my best friend. Yes.
Yeah, that's the homie.
One more thing, this has nothing to do with planning, but if you guys are kind of interested in a deal that's kind of going on right now, I want to show you this. So this here I found at, not the Dollar Tree, but the 99-cent store. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've noticed that the 99-cent store ain't 99 cents no more.
Nah.
Unless it's chips.
Yeah. Sometimes.
Yeah. But yeah, that's about it. The 99-cent store shouldn't even be called 99-cent store. Because it ain't 99 cents. But anyways, I walked in there. I don't remember what I walked in there for. But when I was walking around, I found this right here. Yes. Cottonelle toilet paper.
Something for your booty. Oh.
Okay. Everybody needs toilet paper, okay? Because if you want to admit it or not, you need toilet paper.
And it's always good to stock up, especially if you have households like ours that are 5 people.
Or even less. Or even more.
Yes.
I don't want any more. But it's okay. Alright, so... Alright, so I found this. It's a 12 count of Cottonelle ultra comfortable toilet paper. And it's still like, it's one of their newest ones that just came out with, they have the little ridges in the toilet paper. It only costs $2.99. I actually picked up 2 of those. So that saves me a trip to Costco when you really don't want to walk into Costco.
Yeah.
Costco is always busy, and not all the time I want to walk in there.
And we have a bad habit of walking in there with the goal of getting one thing and leaving with a basket full.
So?
We're trying to save money.
I got it! Alright, so that is our haul for our very second-ish video. Well, that's our first haul video.
Yeah, first haul, second video.
And it won't be our last haul, trust it won't.
Nope.
So if you are interested in seeing how I use this little kit to manage and budget our family life and our finances, trust there will be a video coming out on that, even for meal prep. We're going to try to squeeze meal prep in there too. So if you enjoyed us so far and you'd like to hang out with us even more, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure your bell is turned on and make sure that all notifications are turned on.
Not just occasional, all notifications. Yes.
So we enjoyed you guys thus far. I hope you guys continue to enjoy us, and there will be a lot more videos to come.
And thanks for continuing to join us on our journey. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
See you.